Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Hustle. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful rose bookmark. To make this bookmark, I will first make the rose. I've already made a video of how to make the rose. I will leave the link of the video in the description below. After making the rose, I will make the leaves and the string. So let's begin. To make the leaves and the string, I will use this yarn and a 0.85 mm crochet hook. To make the leaves, I will start my work with a slip knot like this, and then I will start making 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And in the second chain from the hook, I will start making 1 single crochet in each chain. I'll be making 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last 8 single crochet. Again I will make 9 chains. And in the second chain from the hook, I will start making 1 single crochet in each chain. I'll be making total 8 single crochet. Again, I will make 9 chains. And in the second chain from the hook, I will make 1 single crochet in each chain. There will be total of 8 single crochets. That is the 8 single crochet. Now I will join my work in my first slip knot, that is the first chain here. I will join the work with a slip knot like this. Then in the same space I will make a single crochet. Then in the next stitch I will make a half double crochet. Then in the next 4 stitches I will make 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet, then in the next stitch another double crochet, in the next stitch 1 double crochet, in the next stitch we will make our 4th double crochet. Then in the last stitch I will make a half double crochet. This is our 7th stitch. Then in the last stitch, that is our 8th stitch, I will make a single crochet, then chain 1, and again in the same stitch I will make another single crochet. Then in the opposite side, in the first stitch, I will make a half double crochet. Then in the next 4 stitches, I will make 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th double crochet. In the next stitch, I will make a half double crochet, and in the last stitch, I will make a single crochet. In the last stitch, a single crochet. For the next leaf, I will repeat the same pattern. In the first stitch, I will make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet in each stitches. In the next stitch, I will make a half double crochet, and in the last and 8th stitch, I will make a single crochet, chain 1, and in the same stitch, another single crochet. In the opposite side, in the first stitch, I will make a half double crochet. Then in the next 4 stitches, I will make 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 4 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and in the next stitch, a single crochet. I will repeat the same pattern for the 3rd leaf, and I will meet you at the end. I have finished my 3rd leaf, and you can see a small hole in the middle, and we will fill up this with slip stitches. I will take the last threads of my 2 leaves like this. Last thread of these 2 leaves like this. And join it like this with a slip stitch. Again, I will take the last thread of my remaining leaf and join it with a slip stitch like this. As you can see, there is no more hole in my work. Now I will join my leaves with my flower without cutting the thread. Let's start joining the leaves to the flower. I will take some thread from the bottom of the flower and join the leaves with a slip stitch like this. Now I will fasten off my work. Tighten the thread and fasten off my work in here like this. After this, I will start making the string. I will cut the yarn. I have cut my excess yarns and it will look like this. Now I will start making the string. I will take some thread from the bottom of the leaves and start making chains. I'll attach my thread like this. Now I'll start making my string with chain stitches. I'll make the string equal to the length of my book. It depends on your book. I didn't take any particular number of chains. The length is perfect. It will look like this. Now I will make the spiral at the end. To make the spiral, I will make 20 to 25 extra chains. To make the spiral longer, you can take 30 to 40 chains. Now, from the second chain from the hook, I will make a single crochet. In the next stitch, I will make a half double crochet. Then, I will start making double crochets. I will make total of 15 double crochets. If you are taking 30 chains for the spiral, then you will do 25 double crochets. I have done my 15 double crochets. Now I will make a half double crochet in the next chain, then a single crochet in the next chain, and finish it with a slip stitch in the last chain of our 20 extra chains. And you can see that I have cut my yarn because I fastened off my work before making the slip stitch. Now I will hide my extra thread in these chains. After hiding my yarn, I will cut my excess yarn and my spiral is ready like this. If you want your spiral bigger, longer, then you have to take more chains. And here is my rose flower bookmark. I love to read a lot of books, and this is one of my favorite bookmarks. I love it very much as it is very beautiful and cute. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.